Hey there, my YouTube friends. This is Chris coming back at you, giving you an update here on my 2016 AMT Camaro. These are always cool cars. I like these cars. The Camaro in general. I like these Camaros. Um, just giving you a quick update here. Painted it. The last video I said I painted it the Tester's Mica Red. It was actually Tamiya Mica Red. Big difference. Um, so I got a real nice clear coat. The hood looks good. The hood is downstairs with a drying with a clear of Tamiya clear on it. So the body here, I got two coats of the Tamiya clear on it. It came out real nice. Then I started doing the waxing on it, trying to make it nice and shiny. I got to tell you, this is probably the shiniest car I've ever done. Got a mark on the side of the car there. Oh, it's here. Anyways, probably the shiniest, smoothest car I've ever done. So what I did here was I used the novice system, cleaned it all up, scratch removers, and then the shine. And then after I had all real nice, then I used the turtle wax. I didn't have the that fancy 2K stuff that some of you guys use. I had a bottle of this stuff sitting around. I know this stuff is good because I used it on my old 2006 Malibu I used to have, and every time I would wax the car, it's kind of funny, every time I would wax the car, everyone would always ask me, did you get a new car? It's like, no, I just put a coat of wax on it. So, long story short, I no longer have that Malibu. But anyways, so I put the coat of the turtle wax on, and like I said, shiny as could be, smooth as could be. My only problem here, and got to figure a way to do it, is all the door lines, all the seams, has collected all the stuff in it, all the white stuff. So I washed the car. I had it soaking. Hopefully that would loosen the stuff out. It did not. So when I get home today, I'm gonna have to carefully get in there, some of those dental tools, I guess, and clean it out. Unless you guys have any other suggestions on that. But that's what I'm going to do. Carefully do it without scratching up the paint and whatnot. And hopefully it'll be okay. So this is where I'm at right now. The 2016 AMT Camaro. Nice and shiny. Needs a little work. And hey, I hope you guys are staying warm wherever you're at. Woke up today and it was negative 20 by me. Wind chill. But that's cold no matter where you at. But hope you guys are staying warm. Hope you guys are being safe. And hey, I'll catch you guys on the next video here when I get some more updates.